In this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram, right? If for any reason you love to turn on a two-step verification, click on this. Once you have clicked on it, you're gonna see this. Click on the settings, right? Scroll down, you're gonna say privacy and security, so click on it. So right here you can see two-step verification. So if I click on it, they're gonna tell me to set a passcode, right? So you're gonna click on it. So you can just enter the password, right? So yeah, I just confirmed my password now. So I'm gonna click on the continue right now. So I'm gonna re-enter my password. Yeah, so this is basically what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna click on the continue, right? So hint, I can just I'm gonna skip it, right? I'm gonna skip this as well. I'm gonna skip it. So I'm gonna return to settings, right? So if I click on the privacy and security, you can see my two-step verification is on. So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.